So we thought that a school which is located on a farmland. My name is Vasu Majeti. I am an electrical engineer by qualification, and I've worked for a few years in the electrical engineering domain. I worked for a central government organization in India before I moved to US to pursue IT as a career. I worked in various capacities in companies like Wells Fargo, Citibank, Merck Pharmaceuticals, GSK Pharmaceuticals. While being in the IT industry, I was also working in my free time for Camp Hill communities, which are intentional communities for differently abled adults, also associated with Waldorf system of education and also biodynamic agriculture. When we decided to come back to India for good, we were looking for a farmland where we can retire, and we were looking for good schools for our children. Then we realized that most of the schools in India are geared towards a competitive approach to education, where there was not much emphasis given for holistic development of the child. Especially in the south, the states of AP and Telangana, the focus has been a lot on extra study hours and preparation for exams and rankings and everything related to academics, but little importance was given to the other side of the child, the personality of the child, what the child is equipped with, what are the skills that each child possesses, and also the extracurricular activities of sports, art, and other activities as such. So we thought that there is a dire need for education which focuses on the child rather than the focus on career and getting admitted to good institutes like IIT and All India Institute of Medical Sciences and such. So we thought that a school which is located on a farmland with the greenery and the cows, and where children can expose themselves to various activities like pottery, woodwork, carpentry, photography, origami, and various domains like that, even cooking, global cuisines and all that. So this is an approach where a child is given the freedom to explore themselves.